Alright, buckle up, my friends, because today we're going on a wild ride to Iran. You know, the place where ancient history, breathtaking landscapes, and surprisingly delicious ice cream collide in ways you wouldn't expect. Trust me, you're going to be shocked by these facts. Especially number 7. I promise, you're going to want to stay for that one. It's a total game changer. I mean, come on. When was the last time you thought about Iran? Aside from the occasional news headline, or maybe that one class you barely paid attention to in high school? Yeah, same. But after today, you'll never look at Iran the same way again. Grab your brain snacks and let's dive in. But don't say I didn't warn you. Fact number 1. Iran is home to one of the oldest civilizations on the planet. We're talking 4,000 years old. People, Persia, the ancient empire, was around before Cleopatra was even born. Imagine living in a place where history is the scenery. It's like if every street corner was a museum, but with fewer tourists and more ancient ruins. Fact number 2. Speaking of history, did you know Iran's the birthplace of the world's first human rights charter? Yeah, that's right. Cyrus the Great, this super ancient king, wrote it on a clay cylinder back in 539 BC. It's called the Cyrus cylinder, and it's basically the OG of democracy. Forget about constitutional rights. The dude was way ahead of his time. Fact number 3. Now, here's where things get a little creepy. Iran is home to one of the largest underground cities in the world, Shari Sukte. Think Indiana Jones, but with fewer traps and more sand. This ancient city was built around 3200 BC, and, like a lot of things from ancient history, it mysteriously vanished. Imagine finding a city underground that hasn't seen daylight in thousands of years. Yeah, spooky. Fact number 4. Okay. So now you're probably thinking, alright, cool ancient stuff, but what about food? Well, prepare your taste buds because Iran's food scene is on fire. I'm talking about Persian ice cream, which is like regular ice cream, but way better. It's made with saffron, rosewater, and pistachios. Trust me, it's like if your favorite dessert and a flower had a baby, and it tastes amazing. Fact number 5. If you're into big cats, you're gonna want to hear this one. Iran is home to the Persian leopard, and they're super rare. Like, there are fewer Persian leopards than there are people who read the terms and conditions on websites. So, yeah, it's kind of a big deal. You could say, they're like the secret VIPs of the animal kingdom. Fact number 6. Ready for some real brain food? Iran invented the hospital. Yup, the world's first true hospital was founded in Iran in the 9th century. They were doing surgery, treating patients, and probably arguing about how to cook the perfect kebab, all while the rest of the world was still figuring out how to keep the cave walls from falling on them. Fact number 7. And here comes the part where you'll probably say, no way. Iran has one of the oldest and most accurate calendars in the world. The Persian calendar is so spot on. It's been used for over 4,000 years. Meanwhile, here in the US, we can't even agree on whether daylight saving time is a good idea. Just saying. Now, hold on, we're not done yet. Fact number 8. Iran is home to a cinematic revolution. I'm talking about films that will rock your world. Iran's film industry is huge, and their films are known for being deep, thought-provoking, and sometimes a little mind-bending. If you like movies that make you think, Iran's got you covered. Forget about all those predictable Hollywood endings. And number 9. Iran is one of the world's leading petroleum producers. It's like the country's liquid gold for the modern world. Without it, we wouldn't have some of the things we take for granted, like our cars or the latest iPhone. Pretty wild, right? But here's where it gets real juicy. The final fact about Iran will completely change your perception of this place. But I'm not going to tell you yet. You're just going to have to wait. But trust me, you won't regret it. Now, if you thought those facts were mind-blowing, then you're not ready for the dark facts of South Korea. I'm talking things that will make you double-check everything you thought you knew about the country. But don't worry, I'm not leaving you hanging for long. Click the link to find out what's really going on in South Korea. You don't want to miss it. Hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and click on the link for the dark facts of South Korea. Trust me, it's gonna get dark, twisted, and you'll never see the country the same way again. Go ahead. I'll see you there. Oh, and by the way, if you're still skeptical about Iran being cool, maybe go try some saffron ice cream first. It'll change your life.